second team foul.
Nakadalawang foul na sila. 5, penalty na yan.
Tagam. Setting up the play binigay kay Eric. Eric. What about a 3? Number 8. No good. Rebound by jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. And there's a black. Patay mo dikit. Nakuha nila number 8.
Jam ball.
Jump ball. Dalawa.
Rep, ano ba?
Pares tawag. Oh, excessive complaint.
Jump ball. Easy table.
Baby, warning mo, excessive complaint.
Basket not counted.
Warning nga natin.
Yan. Nice rep.
Warning po sa bench na Idols. Kulang po tayo po. Players po natin. Huwag kayo mahiya.
Tira ng dress, paglibre.
Jersey number 2. Labas! Ilan pa ulit po. Perimeter jumper. No good. Ako jersey number 8. What a rebound. Bigay jersey number 30. Number 30.
Tira ng dress yan, ha?
Sa ilalim. Wow! Bigay sa labas. Thanks for a 3. No good. Number jersey number 11.
Baba, push!
Johnson lays up and there's a foul. Foul falls on jersey number 8. Third personal foul, third team foul. 2 shots awarded for Mr. Yukson. First shot. Okay.
Rich, pagta mo si Eric.
Second throw. It's no good again. Nakuha pa ni Johnson. Johnson looking for 78 floor. Take na big amaran. Uy, and there's a foul. Foul falls on jersey number 39. Substitution left. Second personal foul. First team foul. Remaining time 8 minutes and 4 seconds. Next game po natin. Ready na kayo? Dito sa ilalim, uy!
Jack Mario.
Muntik na.
Referee, yan.
Agam. Bigay sa ilalim. Uy! Miscommunication pass. Sayang naman. Jersey number 30.
Si Mario?
Bringing down the ladder. Jersey number 30. Nakawala. Binigay sa ilalim. Uy, nabigay kay number 31. Number 31 na. Binigay. Binigay kay jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Binigay kay number 31. Number... Uy, there's a... Mabiling violation. Substitution, right?
Ken, labas ka din.
That out.
Mahaba pa.
Jersey number 14.
7 minutes.
Official score, 72-73.
Tira, open!
Bricks for 3. No good. Nakuha nino. Ni Chef. Wow, wee!
Kuha bricks. Kuha na isa, bricks.
Jersey number 14.
Kuha. Yan, kunin mo na yan. Wala po peluhin.
Niegas.
Yan.
Niegas.
Walang kamay, ha? Kamay. Katawan lang.
Binigay kay jersey number 30. Jersey number 30. Takes for 3. No good. Nakuha ni jersey number 8. Grabe naman yun. There's a foul. Plaza basket. Foul goal on jersey number 9. Third personal foul, second team foul. Bonus shot is awarded for jersey number 8. Dobson. Looking for his teammate.
Chef, mga bola, Chef.
Dobson. Window to binigay kay Flor. Flor, binigay kay Mario. Number 14. Number 14 spins. Stays up. No good. Pili to. Jersey number 8 binigay sa kabila. Number 30. No good. Nakuha ni number 9.
Wala nang score.
AJ. And there's a foul. Foul calls on jersey number 30.
Sub.
First personal foul. Warning. warning for penalty. Remaining time po natin 6 minutes and 30 seconds of our fourth and final quarter. Official score
Tubig ka mo.
74-55 in favor of Idols. Number 14. Number 14. Side stepping move. No move. Nakuha ni jersey number 7. Reverse. 2-2.
Stop tayo, stop tayo. Yan.
Jersey number 0. Hey! Jersey number 8.
Stop.
Jersey number 0 ulit. In the middle. No good ako. Jersey number 0. Number 0 po rin na. Sinigay sila ng steal. Bait agad. Same ball. Substitution rock. Sana. Idols. Official score po natin. 74-57 in favor of Idols. Remaining time exactly 6 minutes of the fourth and final quarter. ECK, meron kayong dalawa pang timeout. Idols, may isa na lang po kayong timeout.
Wag.
Walang injury ha. Walang injury.
Laruin nyo lang, hayaan nyo.
Same ball po tayo. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds to shoot.
Rail. Walang 1 meter. Masyado malayo.
Jersey number 0. Uy! Lampasan. Pakikilaw mo na rin.
Baba na. Tara.
Jersey number.
Pasa na, pasa! Yun o! Lalim!
Binigay kay Bricks. Wow! Grabe naman yun. And there's a foul. Foul calls on jersey number 8. Short personal foul. Penalty.
Nice one.
First try. That's good. How about the second try? Second try. No good. Rebound by jersey number 31. Number 31 looking for his teammate. Pinalik jersey number 14.
Rail, huwag mo na iwanan, Rail.
Number 31.
Asawahin mo na yan.
Setting up the play.
Walang 1 meter.
Binigay sa number 22. Nabitin. Nakuha ni jersey number 14. Jersey number 14. Allen. Jersey number 14. Setting up the play. Number 14. Binigay sa Jackson. All alone. Ano po nakuha ni jersey number 2. Binigay kay jersey number 14. Number 14. Number 14. Nice. Steal. Pinato kay jersey number. All alone. Sala ka din. Naman. Ay! Isa naman. Third one being 0. Number 0. Pasok. 2. Number 9, AJ.
Stop.
AJ, no good. Nakuha ni Jackson. Attack. Binigay kay AJ pa rin. AJ, perimeter. No good. Nakuha ni number 8. Grabe naman sa ilalim. Sino to? Number 14. Extra sa ilalim kay Jackson. Jackson umiikot. Pero now shot. 2.
Rail.
Asawahin mo na.
Score 7-6-60. 16-point lead. Flawless life. Jersey number 21 nagpapadala binigay kay substitution wrap.
Mike.
Official score po natin 7-6-60. Remaining time 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Allen setting up the play. Allen looking for spinning. Itatay rin kinarity for a
Bang!
No good. Rebound by jersey number 28.
Rail. Buhay siya, Rail.
4 minutes to play. Number 14. Pragata binigay kay number 28. Binigay kay Pragata perimeter jumper. Let's go. 4-2. Jersey number 9. Mariano brings down the leather. Mariano sees an opening. Mariano, wow! And there's a foul. Foul calls on jersey number 28. Penalty. Third personal foul. First shot by Mr. Rhino is good. What about the second try? Next game po natin. Ready na po kayo? Second try. So good. Ako jersey number 28. Number 28, binigay kanino. Oy, there's a steal by jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. Number 9, Mariano. Mariano, season opening, side stepping move out. No good. Number 14.
Hoy!
Number 14.
Kamay, oh!
Batted by jersey number 9. Almost a steal. Nakuha ni 31. Number 31 binigay kay jersey number 0. Qualifiers to may binigay kay jersey number 28. Number 28. And here drops. That's good. 1-2. Next game po natin. Pagkabasar na pagkabasar. Simula na agad. Jersey number 14. Setting up the play. Binigay kay number 9. Take for a 3. No good. Air ball. Rebound by jersey number 21. Jersey number 31. Nagmamadali. Binigay kay jersey number 22. Ay, nawala na ako ni Maria. Jersey number 0. Take for a 3. Pasa pa na yan. 2 points. By jersey number 21. What a assist. Jersey number 14. Alec.
Time out mo.
Get ball po tayo. Allen, uy! Steal! Number 0. Dito na kaya! Wala pa din! Grabe.
Tira, Tres!
Jersey number 9.
Pasa!
Mariano. Side step. Uy! Almost! Uy! Same ball. Timeout! ECA.
Diretso na Rail pag makatanggap ng bola.
Uwi mo na sa
4 seconds naman po. 4 seconds.
Iwan mo na sa tukbo yung bola.
Sabihin mo siya kanya, di ba? Ikaw, mag-shoot ka. Kapon, dahil mo shoot, ha?
Uy! And the steal by jersey number 9.
Pasa na, pasa! Kay Railo.
Binigay kay Mariano. Uy, napitawan ako ni Buba.
Yun! Yun oh. Kanina pa sana yun oh.
Last 2 minutes of our final quarter. Official score po natin, 82-62. Number 0, looking for Steven, binigay kay number 22, number 22. Nakuha niya, Bautista, and there's a foul. Foul was on jersey number 0. First personal foul. First personal foul, penalty. Bautista, no good. What about second try? Second try? No good again. Nakuha ni jersey number Mr. John. Mr. John. Looking for someone binigay kay jersey number Mr. John. Uy, what the pass? Kala ko tira. Pasok na. Nakuha ni jersey number Uban. Uy, wala.
Good.
Uban.
Diretso mo. Woo! Sige lang.
Mr. John plays up for 2.
Bola.
By jersey number 22, jersey number 22 lays up again for 2. Back to back. Buban takes for a 3. No good. Rebound by Ben Wallace.
Binwal.
Binigay kay number 0. Ito na kaya, finally! Ariel happened to me. Jersey number 9, Bricks. Binigay kay jersey number 9-10. Money! 20 seconds to play. Number 22. Easy 2 points by jersey number 22. 15 seconds to play. Mariano.
Pwede na.
5 seconds. And the ball game. All because po natin. 1966. Winner. Idol. Paul Estay.
Ano talaga, Meridian boy?
Bola mo, pangit. Ano ba kasi yun?